Okay students, so let's start with the exercise 4.1, construction of triangle. First exercise. Now let's see the first sum. Construct triangle PQR in which QR is equal to 4.2 centimeter and angle Q is equal to 40 degree and PQ plus PR is equal to 8.5 centimeter. As you can see, I have already drawn the rough diagram here. See, before doing construction, you have to draw a rough diagram, and if you don't draw a rough diagram, you will lose your mark. So first you have to draw a rough diagram. QR is given 4.2 centimeter and angle Q is 40 degree. Angle Q is 40 degree, and if you see the question, one condition is given in the question, that is PQ plus PR is equal to 8.5 centimeter. So this PQ, this side you have to draw it 8.5 centimeter. So first you will draw QR 4.2 centimeter. Okay. Then next you will draw 40 degree. Take protractor and draw it 40 degree. Now draw this line. You can extend it. Then next PQ plus PR is equal to 8.5 centimeter. Now this one, what we have drawn, this is not P. We have to draw PQ plus PR is equal to 8.5 centimeter. So you can give this name. Here I have written T. You can write over here T. So 8.5 C 8.5. Keep it on point Q and draw an arc. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll draw the line. Then next you will draw the perpendicular bisector of TR. Take more than half. And keep it here. Cut the arc. This line is intersecting here, so this intersecting from here you will draw one more line. So this will be your P. Okay, so this way you will construct the triangle. This is 40 degree, and this side is, this complete side is 8.5 centimeter. Okay, so this was the required triangle. Therefore triangle PQR, this is the required triangle. Now similarly we will be doing second sum. First, second, third, all three sums are similar. Fourth question is not there in the syllabus, so we won't be doing fourth question. So second sum I am doing now. Let's see. Okay children, now second question. Construct triangle XYZ in which YZ is equal to 6 centimeter and XY plus XZ is equal to 9 centimeter, and angle XYZ is equal to 50 degrees. So here I have drawn rough diagram. YZ is 6 centimeter, and angle Y is angle XYZ, that is Y is 50 degree, and here XY plus XZ is equal to 9 centimeter. So we'll draw similar to just like first sum. First you will draw YZ, six centimeter. Okay, and then next you will draw angle. Take protractor. How much? 50 degree. You can extend the line. And now we want XY plus XZ is equal to 9 centimeter. So this side, give this, you can write it over here M, as I have written here M. Take 9 centimeter with a compass and keep it here on point Y and draw an arc. Okay, this way. Now join the line. Okay, so we got this MZ. Now we'll construct the perpendicular bisector of segment MZ. Take more than half. Now cut the arc. Okay, join the line, draw the line, then name the point of intersection of ray YM and the perpendicular bisector of segment MZ as what you will name here X, this side. So write X. Now you will draw this line. This is segment XZ. Okay. This is 6 centimeter and 50 degree, and this side we got 9 centimeter. So this is the required triangle. Third sum you can try it on your own, and fourth sum is not there, is reduced from the syllabus.